So today I'm going to show you how to sell your fractional shares on your Fidelity account. So we're actually here on our account in real time, so you can follow along step by step. So we're currently on the home page of our Fidelity account, and there's a couple different ways you can get to this similar screen. But for today's example, we're going to go ahead and hop over to our investing tab over here on the bottom side. It's that little graph with the line icon, and that's going to take us over here to our positions with our investments. Now, we currently already have some share of a particular company to be able to go ahead and sell. So you can see right over here, we have a little bit of Google. Let's go ahead and click on this. Now that's going to take us over to the Google overview page, but you can see over here, it actually just puts us in our position page, which gives us a little bit more details on how many shares we actually own, the total value, any gains or losses as a total. So just some brief information here for us, but you can see on the bottom right-hand side, there is the sell tab, which is what we want to go ahead and click on. And that's going to bring us over here to our trade page. Now this looks very similar to when you are buying stocks, but you can see right over here, this is now currently on the sell tab. Now the first thing we're going to see here is that it is currently toggled over to shares, but we want to click on this and toggle this over to dollars. And now you can see it is a dollar amount that we can go ahead and plug in. So let's go ahead and click on this. And it currently will tell you how many shares that you own, which is 0.005 shares of Google for this example. You can click sell all if you would like to sell all of it. So for example, today, we're just gonna go ahead and sell a small amount. And then from here, it's gonna ask you which order type you want to have. And it's currently set to market, which is what we're gonna need it to be. There is a limit order, but for our example, and as quickly as possible for us, we wanna go ahead and set it to market. Now here at the bottom, you can see the estimate. We just put it for 50 cents for our example here today, but whatever amount that you want to go ahead and sell, you can, or you can do the sell all, even with your fractional shares. And then we're going to click on the word preview here at the very bottom. Now from right over here, this is the preview page. Just double check that everything looks good for you and that this is exactly where we want to go when it comes to going through this process. If it all looks clear, we're going to go at the very bottom here and click on the word sell. And then from right over here, we go into the confirmation page, which means that our order is going to be processed. And just like that, you are able to sell fractional shares on your Fidelity account. Now there is more to show you when it comes to utilizing your Fidelity account, and we got you covered here. Check out our next video on screen to keep on learning.